If you're trying to upload WhatsApp status but your video quality keeps getting low, don't worry, in today's video I'll show you exactly how to upload HD video on WhatsApp status, so your status stays clear and high quality. Open up your WhatsApp app. Normally if we update our status, there is no any option to select HD, but there is a trick through which we can do this easily. Go back to chat section. Tap on this plus icon here. Then go to your own chat. Here, send that video you want to upload as your status. Tap on this HD icon. Choose HD quality. And send to the chat. Once done, tap and hold on that video. Press on this icon to forward. Select my status. Type whatever you want. And press here to post. Our video will be posted without quality loss. That's it for today's video. If this helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.